Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we're gonna have a post review of various one-day savings budget-friendly company diamond paintings. These are diamond paintings. Among the mix, there are diamond paintings that are from the promotional unboxing and some that I have bought. There's 8 in total over here. 7 are a special drill. 1 is a regular drill. Let's get on it. Here is the first one. I'm gonna put the rest on the side. I mean, 2 are 30 by 30. The rest is 30 by 40. So I'm gonna do those first. This is the regular drill coming. I just gave them yesterday the Mod Podge treatment, but look at the shine of those drills. They're not dull at all because you gotta know how to spread the Mod Podge. Now, something that I want to say about this one, in particular this one, I was impressed with especially the dark and the 310, the black ones. There was no trash. Hear me again. No trash on the 310s. And that's a great thing. That means that the quality control was great. There was not crushed, because sometimes you find some little crushed ones. It seems like in the faceted process, you know, they get crushed a little bit and you can mistake it for a regular drill. I know that has happened. And this is a beautiful one. I like it. This one can be used to give away for a gift to a teacher, which nowadays they need a lot of our appreciation. Okay. So, having said that, I'm beautifully recommending this one. I'm planning to get the other Apple series. I think I have another one, but I'm planning to get the other ones too. I love this one. And I'm very well pleased with the drills. Okay? Very well pleased. I mean, no trash. Okay? To find no trash on 310s, boy, gotta be a miracle. This one is a cutie. I believe this one is from one of the promotional videos. I'm gonna post some of the videos, one in the iCard and 2 in the end card, so you can look it over. And this is also one that I did the Mod Podge, and look at how shiny they are. And I like this one. This is beautiful. It was very heavy. I mean, it is very heavy in colors, and as you can see, okay. And it had those nice little shiny golden beads. Okay. Oh, sorry. And I like this one. I like this one. A lot of colors, and the drills, the flat back were okay. I mean, I hardly took one out that it was a scratch, but everything else, it worked out very quickly despite the burst of colors that we have over here. This is a pretty one. Now we're gonna go to the series of flower quilling, they call it. Okay, but this one, which I love very much because it's summer. Okay, take a look at this. This is pretty. I like when they have a lot of stuff on it, when they're heavy. And the drills, I don't see that the camera is doing justice, but these are AV drills. Let me get closer and see if we can get hold of this. Let me see, do we have any other? area with AB drills. Oh, here you go. These are beautiful. I like the details on this one too. This is nice. This is very nice, and they're big. This is also good for a beach house. Now to my favorite, flowers and the roses. Oh, take a look at those pink roses. And I like this flower made out of teardrops. There's two of them. Take a look at this one. This is beautiful. Also, the drill is shining. Special drills. That is one. Take a look at this summery one. Or you can say it's a springy one. However you want to do it. And I like the fact that it's in blues. Has a lot of blues. Oh, the canvas turned a little harder because of the Mod Podge. But take a look at this in here. That effect in there. I love it, I love it, I'm loving it. These are beautiful and very much fun to do. The drills, outstanding. Take a look at this one. These are, I think these are daisies. I don't know what the blue flower is. Honestly, I don't recognize that blue flower, but anyway. But these ones, they look like daisies. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Shiny drills, sparkly drills. Beautiful. That one is a quilling one. Take a look at this one. This has subtle colors. These are more like summer type thing. Summery, like that is even a word. Oh my God, I'm fumbling today, my English. Beautiful. I like that detail in there. I love the colors. I love the colors. I love this type of canvas. And last but not least, something for the girls. Look at this one for a baby girl. I like the smiley face of the sun. And the teddy bear. This is pretty. I like this one. Has also a lot of detail. I love the colors of all these one. All of them. I like all of them. Let me see. I don't think they're gonna all fit in the camera. But let's see. Maybe if we can expand it a little bit more. Right? Ooh, I don't think they're gonna fit. I don't think they're gonna fit. Let's see, let's try just a little bit. just a little bit. You know, here they are. One day saving. Thank you for such a wonderful diamond paintings. Okay. I hope we can continue. The next thing I got from them is gonna be paint by number, so keep in the lookout for that video. When I get the items arrive over here, I will make the video immediately. That's another craft that we're trying in this channel. So thank you for watching. Okay, have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to join the membership for giveaways and prizes and special tutorials if you want to. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.